This video is sponsored by Squarespace. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and here we have another massive tech unboxing. You know what time it is. Get your snacks, get your drinks. We're gonna chill, open up a lot of cool tech, because this one's a good one. Now, Ari is an absolute trader. She's not here right now. She went to go do some house stuff, so she can't pick. So I'm gonna have my man Jay. You get to make the first pick, my friend. Which one you going for?
That gray one.
This guy right here?
Yes.
All right. Oh, peep the samurai blade from last time. You know, I love this thing. Oh, you picked a good one, my friend. Right here, we got the OnePlus 6. And yes, I know you guys are waiting for this video. It is coming out, trust me, very soon. But this one right here is the Silk White. Oh, hold on, let's get rid of this. Hold on. Oh, that's nice. I can see why they call it Silk White, but it's got this nice coating on it. It would have been even better if they called it like Pearl White or something, but Silk White, that still works. This is a clean looking phone. Now, I'm not gonna talk too much about the OnePlus 6 because, you know, you guys gotta check the video for that, but this is a really good phone. Spoiler alert. I should have said spoiler alert first, but whatever. Okay, so here we have a Nintendo Switch Pro controller and some Joy-Cons, but these aren't your standard ones. You know it's color-wired up. This one's from their 128-bit line. Oh, I can see it already. Hey, that is nice. So, you know, this is all based on the Super Nintendo. So if you really love Super Nintendo and you were one of those people who went nuts when they re-released it with all those games, you're gonna want this in your collection if you have a Switch. This is dope. And of course, you know the Joy-Cons are gonna look like this too. So check these out, guys. These are the Joy-Cons that go with it. And man, this looks so good. This is a great combo. They kill it every time. If you guys aren't familiar with Colorware, they customized a ton of tech gear. They've done so many things for me. Now, if you have a Nintendo Switch, lucky for you, me and Colorware are teaming up and doing a giveaway over on Instagram. So all you gotta do is hit the link down below, run to my Instagram page, look for the post about these guys, leave a comment, all that good stuff. The rules will be there. Enter and you get a chance to win these guys. So good luck to you folks. Whoever wins is gonna be happy. Oh, Sony, yes. So what we have right here, guys, is the Sony SP-700N. These are those wireless active noise canceling earbuds that I showed you guys during CES. One of the first things that impressed me when I went to look at headphones was this guy. So this is really cool to see. So this is for people who like sports. I think it's waterproof. You got active noise canceling, lots of good stuff, but I actually want to open this up because I'm excited. And inside of the box, you of course have your charging case that we're seeing with a lot of truly wireless earbuds, and of course the earbuds themselves. And you also get a USB cable, micro USB, as well as some earbuds and some wingtips. They fit in very easily. And I remember this from CES. These, I had no problem getting them on. That's nice. Even though, I'm not gonna lie, these are a bit on the larger side when it comes to these kind of earbuds. And just for those of you who don't know about wireless earbuds like that, you just kind of throw them inside of this case, and this is where they get their juice. They charge up right inside of here, and it's easy to carry them around. Boom, you're done. All right, what's next? Should we go for some of the big stuff? I feel like we should go for some of the big stuff. You might remember the electric scooter board that I showed on the channel before. This is the official version. All right. Oh, snap. Dang. See, even Cookie's interested. Look at that. So they really upgraded the look compared to the prototype that we had. For those of you who've never seen a scooter board before, you can pretty much take it like this, and boom, you're in scooter mode. So this thing is like an electric scooter. Pretty much you give it a kick, and then you have a little control right here that allows the motor to kick in, and then you keep on going. So that way you won't just hit the trigger by mistake and have it take off. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. So if you guys are interested in this, as well as anything else in this video, everything is gonna be linked down below in the description. Oh, wait, is there something else? Oh, the Huawei MateBook 10 Pro and the Huawei MediaPad M5. Nice. Okay, wait a minute. NVIDIA GeForce? What are the specs on this guy? So we have a dongle right inside. So this thing is a USB Type-C. You also get a USB port over here, and you also get another USB-C, HDMI, and I guess a display adapter. Looks a little small for VGA, but has to be a display adapter. Get your cable as well. And this is your power brick. Oh, that color is nice. Ooh, that is a clean looking device right here. Looks like a MacBook, not gonna lie. Screen looks kind of good. Okay guys, so before I put this thing away, there are a couple of cool things going on here. I believe there's a Thunderbolt 3 port right here, and this is where you charge it. This is a standard USB Type-C. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. This is a fingerprint scanner right here on the power button, so that's awesome. So something you'll notice with these super small bezels on this display is that there's no webcam anywhere, but there's actually a webcam button right here, and look what happens. Boom. You got your webcam that pops right up. That is cool. So if you're worried about privacy and security, somebody hacking into your webcam, you put that thing away and nobody's seeing anything. That is really cool. Okay, so my excitement level for this has gone up quite a bit. Okay, and inside of here you get power adapter, SIM ejector tool. This thing must be able to take a SIM card, and a USB Type-C cable, and some paperwork. Oh, and a dongle for your headphone. There's no headphone jack on this? But it's a tablet. There should be space. I'm a little disappointed by that. Tablets are the last things I would think would have a headphone jack excluded, but okay. So it's got these crazy long speaker grills here on each side. So I'm expecting the audio to sound really good. It says high-res audio on the box, Harman Kardon, so I'm expecting good stuff, but man, this thing has no headphone jack. That's a little baffling to me. Now this thing is running Android. If you guys are interested in learning more about this in a future video, let me know with a comment down below. Of course, do that for any product that you see in today's video. Let me know if you really want to see it in another video with a comment down below. Oh. I saw these cases online. So this is a 10th anniversary limited edition classic iPhone case that they came out with. So I got this leather case on mine right now, but you know we gotta go teal. Okay, I could dig it. This color looks beautiful to me. This thing, tell me this thing doesn't pop. You know it does. So that's cool, lots of different options. If you're a classic iPhone lover, I'm sure you'll love these. Oh, these are ND filters for the iPhone? Really? So basically these guys are trying to give the iPhone a cinematic look with these ND filters. Oh snap. This looks official. Okay. Not bad. Now I'd have to go take this outdoors to really mess around with it and see what I could shoot with this, but it's a cool concept and this definitely does seem high quality. So RHA makes some awesome premium earbuds and some budget-friendly ones as well. And they just came out with a wireless version. So I wanna see what they've got. Oh snap, this came with raspberry and vanilla bean white chocolate. They're trying to butter me up, folks. So here it is. This is the MA650 wireless, RHA's wireless earbuds. Oh, that packaging though. That's a nice display right there. This looks good. Huh. And that's one thing I love about RHA. They give you a ton of different earbuds. So if one size doesn't fit you, you know you have quite a few different options here. And this thing is supposed to have 12 hours of battery life, which is actually really good. Oh, it uses USB Type-C. That is a nice bonus. And I believe they got that magnetic body so you can keep them together. So these, I'm very, very excited for. Can't wait to give it a try. Right here we have the RHA MA390 Universal. So here we have it. Now this is a standard earbud, and you're still getting that RHA premium quality, but at a much cheaper price. So this is nice. Standard stuff, nothing too crazy here. Regular 3.5mm jack, travel pouch, and some earbuds. So these are from FiiO or FiiO, I can't remember, but I think it's FiiO. And these are headphone amplifiers. So right here we have the Q1 Mark II. This is a DAC and headphone amp. So if you want to listen to your music and you want to get more juice into your headphones and get better audio quality, you're gonna want one of these. So this right here is the Bluetooth headphone amp. So what you're gonna be able to do with this guy is you're gonna be able to pair it with your phone or whatever device, and it is going to have a Bluetooth connection. And right here, you're gonna be able to plug in your 3.5mm headphone cable. So if you got a pair of headphones, you can just throw them in here and have a Bluetooth connection to your phone or whatever device. And it's an amp, so you're gonna get even better audio quality than you would from a regular headphone jack. So this is actually a nice item for those phones out there that don't have a headphone jack and you kind of force into Bluetooth or using the same power connector. Okay, so this is a clean looking headphone amplifier. I've used some of theirs in the past, but this is kind of something that I was looking for because, you know, they kill off the headphone jacks, leave us barren, leave us with nothing but Bluetooth headphones. I wanted to see what this thing could offer to something like the iPhone 10. Dang, we still got so much more to go. Now this right here is from the same guys who made the electric scooter board. And right here, guys, we've got the Glide 3. This is, as you can see, an electric unicycle. Dang, this thing is heavy for one wheel. Whew. Oh snap, look at this. Thing has a tire on it. This is like a legit tire. This thing looks high quality though. But basically guys, this is like a unicycle, but it's an electric unicycle that you can just ride with one wheel. Oh man. This is like super scary, but super exciting at the same time. What's this again? Oh yeah, I picked up the Surface Dial. This is not super exciting or anything, but I got the Surface Dial after I made that Black Panther video because I thought that was really cool. So I got the Surface Dial because it works with the Surface Book 2, and I love my Surface Book 2, so this works with it. I wanna try it out. Right here, in this inconspicuous box, we have a phone. Now this isn't the retail packaging or anything, but what phone? Take a guess. Pause the video, leave a comment down below. This right here, ooh, this is the HTC U12 Plus. This is nice, and it's got that blue. Okay, this looks cool. So these are those faux buttons that everyone's talking about. They're basically like fake buttons on the side. These are really hard. I guess when you turn it on, you're supposed to feel it a bit more. This is a good looking phone. This looks like it's gonna be a nightmare to try and shoot on video because of all the reflections. But take a look at this. You probably won't be able to see it from this camera, but it's kind of see-through. You can see the internals right up here. That's a good look. And you don't really see phones in this color. I used to be a huge HTC fan back in the day. Oh, that's the jingle. I'm excited to give this a shot. The U12 Plus. It's a good looking phone. The Ulefone Power 5, and it includes a wireless charger for fast wireless charging. Let's take 13,000 milliamp hours? What? Oh, they're not joking. Holy crap. Wow, okay, this is a thick phone. Yes, it does have 13,000 milliamp hours. This feels like a portable charger. Okay, so it's got an 18:9 aspect ratio. It's got an 8-core processor, dual rear cameras, 21 megapixel, 5 megapixel, dual front facing cameras, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of ROM. I'm guessing that's 64 gigs of storage. Okay, so it's got full HD for a 18:9 aspect ratio, 2160 by 1080, 13,000 million. This is never going to die on you. Wow. Face ID, a fingerprint scanner, Android 8.1, and wireless charging on this. And it's got USB Type-C. This is okay. I am very, very interested. I don't know how good the processor is, but here we have it, the Ulefone Power 5. It's a brick. It's a brick, y'all. But these specs are worth taking a look at. Let's see what the grand finale is like. So I went ahead and got another one of those RGB mouse pads. I like RGBs. What do you want me to say? This one is by Corsair. It has a USB port in the back, which I find very useful. So this is their MM800 mouse pad. So like I said, you get those LEDs around it, nice rubbery bottom, so you're not gonna have it sliding around a bunch. But yeah, just wanted to get one of these from Corsair. And the last thing, which was a purchase influenced by recently building my own PC. There was a lot of screwing in little screws, so I decided to get this little screwdriver that has a motor. And it's not a crazy motor or anything, so you're not gonna go and destroy your PC in the process. You can kind of use this just to save yourself some time instead of just... So yeah, I wanted to pick this up because I figured I'd be doing more work on that PC, and whenever I do that, I'm gonna wanna have something like this just to make my life a little bit easier. And it wasn't really expensive, so why not? But you know what else isn't really expensive? A membership to Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is the place to go if you're looking to build your own website without needing to install anything or know how to code. And they make it pretty simple by providing great looking templates, and they can be used to make tons of different pages, from promoting something you've got coming up or even making an online store. They've even got 24/7 customer support through live chat or email, and it starts at just $12 a month, and you even get a free domain if you sign up for a year. So if you've been waiting to start your own website, wait no longer, and be sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/UrAvgConsumer to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or a domain. But that about wraps it up for this massive tech unboxing, guys. There are just so many things here that I'm gonna have to put to the test. So I'm excited personally. But if you guys wanna enter into that giveaway of, dang, I dropped something. I said I wasn't gonna do it in this video. But if you guys want to enter into the giveaway to win your Super Nintendo Joy-Con and Pro Controller for the Switch, definitely go check out my Instagram page. But that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace and cookie. Say peace out, cookie. Later, guys.